welcome to school too.
Baby, order anything you want. I came here to spoil you today.
Are you serious? Mama, do you have a Lord Carbonic gin?
The spirit.
Yeah.
Una de salam.
Yeah, we have it.
Give them now.
I should bring
Anything that you want. From here now, we are going straight to the house. So that we can go out.
This is the Lord Carbonic spirit.
Okay.
It's just 120,000 naira only.
120,000.
Yes, baby.
Hey! I hear me to me, but me.
My guy, you know that with 120,000 naira, you could buy 6 plots of land.
6 plots.
Right there now, 120,000. You go buy 6 plots. Confirm one.
Oh my days, irú ọmọ wo wá rè nítorí Ọlọ́run. Mo jẹ jìyà lórí àwọn ọmọ yìí o. Jesus is Lord.
She took 2 bottles. She finished this one and took
School too.